Hey, what's up guys? This video is a little bit different than my normal video. As you can see, I'm here with the Corvair. I'm at the beach. I'm actually going to be listing this car for sale. I'm going to put it on eBay at no reserve, and I'm going to start the auction at $1. So whatever it sells for, it sells for. It's going to be a 10-day auction, and it's just going to go. If you followed my channel, then you may have seen some of the other videos I've done on this car. I really like this car. The reason that I bought it is because of the patina. That's my favorite part about it. But this car already has a lot of the things that I would normally do on my channel have already been done to this car. I like to get a project that sat for a long time, 20 years or more, and bring it back to life. Someone's already done that with this car. The engine has been rebuilt last year. I think in 2017 they redid the suspension, the brakes. Mechanically, the car is in really good condition. I have a bunch of receipts that I'll show. I'm sure it still needs a few things. There was an electrical issue with the tail light. I got that to work, but I'm sure there's going to be other little things that need to be fixed. But regardless, it's going to be listed at no reserve at $1. So whatever it sells for, it sells for. We'll finish the walk around real quick. You can see the condition of the car in my previous videos, and I highly recommend that you watch those. But I'll show you some things that you wouldn't have seen in the other videos. So the previous owner of this car was very passionate about it. He did a lot of work. We had a lot of work done to it. He spent a lot of time and money on it. You can see here I've got the title. It's in my name. It's ready to go. I've just got stacks and stacks of receipts. There's over $5,000 worth of work that's been done to the car. This one alone was $3,700. It details all kinds of things. Gas tank, you know, tons and tons of things. The brakes, the suspension, it's all listed there. He kept every receipt for everything he bought for it, from O'Reilly's to major parts. All kinds of small things were done, as well as some of the larger things. Here's the new pistons. These were bought in 2019, so that's around the time that the engine was rebuilt. You can see here gaskets set, main bearings set, pistons. That was all in 2019. There's also some literature that came with the car. I mean, the previous owner really cared about this car. I do like it, but I just don't have room for it, and I have so many other projects going on the channel that I just don't have time for this one. So I've decided to let it go, and just out of curiosity, I want to go ahead and try to list it on eBay with no reserve and see what happens. So this is the car, guys. Like I said, watch the other videos on it to see. I have a driving video that I put up recently, and then I have a few videos when I was working on it, when I installed the carpet and replaced the starter. So those are already up on the channel. And yeah, good luck with the auction, guys. Hopefully it goes to a good home, and who knows, maybe you'll get it for less than the cost of a tank of gas. Whatever it goes for, it goes for. Good luck, guys.